Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to add a new user account to your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So do you want to play some co-op games on your PlayStation 5? Maybe play a little bit of split screen in Minecraft or even Call of Duty? How do you go ahead and do that? Well, if you only have one account, what you need to do is go up to your profile or press the PlayStation button and then scroll down to your profile on the quick menu and select this. Go to switch user or log out. So I'm going to go to log out. So now we're brought to the main login page here where you can press the PlayStation button and it'll give us all the options. So I have a couple different users on here already. So if we go to the left of this, we can add a user. So who's using this controller? Let's press X on this. So we can get started. Sign in with your account for PlayStation Network or create a new one. Your data will be saved on this console for the next time you want to play. So if you have someone coming over to your house and they want to sign in with their account, they can go to this option right here and get started and log in with their account. So let's go to confirm. Now all they have to do is sign in manually over here on the left with their sign in ID or password. Or if you have the PlayStation app, what you could do is sign in easily by opening up the app, go into settings and go to sign in on PS5 and enter in that code. Or you can go to the bottom and go to skip and play offline. And then you can go through this process and just set up a new account. So this would be user 1. Let's go to confirm and continue. So boom, I just made a new account. Let's go to my profile right here and just go to log out. So if I press the PlayStation button again, I'm gonna open this up. User 1 will now be located right here. So you can easily and quickly sign in with a new account and get started. Otherwise, you can go to play as one-time guest. You can go to quick play and easily make an account, or you can go to sign in and enter in your email address and password for your account once again. So we go to quick play, we will easily make an account and you will be known as guest 1. So if you don't want to create a new user on your PlayStation 5, you can just go to quick play and just create a guest account for one-time play. So this is very easy to add a new user to your PlayStation 5. If this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.